Hello, this is Dwight Rittenhouse from Mount Union Lumber and Supply. Today's video we're going to be talking about how to repair that large crack in your floor. In the case that we're dealing with here, there was expansion joints put in to where the two pours met back maybe 25, 30 years ago. As concrete gets older, it gets smaller every day, so that means that the crack that was there originally, which was probably 1/8 of an inch, now it's turned into some places close half to 3/4 of an inch. Then when you pull in your garage with your vehicle and you have a little stone or something there and you drive over it, it breaks the edge of the concrete, so the crack keeps getting larger. So the best thing to do is to close these cracks up if you're going to do a one-piece floor, or in this particular case we're going to polish the floor. So the crack won't accept dirt. If you don't have a sharp edge there where that stone can sit on it and chip it off, it's going to make the floor a lot stronger and you're not going to be breaking your floor up. So today we're using the MULS 343 Fast Fix, which is kind of an amazing product. It pours out of each jug. It's a 50-50 mix. It's about as thick as water when you dump it out. It must be put with some type of an aggregate so it can bond fast to it to do the repair. So before we done anything, we cleaned the crack out of this floor. I tried to get the grease and the dirt out of it, and the crack was way too large to put the product in. It would have cost you a fortune, and the product would have just kept running the whole way down through. So what we did, we took a foam backer rod, they call it. It's like a foam rope, and we pushed it down in the floor. We want our fix to be anywhere from 1/2 to 3/4 of an inch thick, adhering to each side of the concrete. So as you see in the video how we're putting that down in with a screwdriver or a putty knife, in this case we had to use a couple pieces in certain areas to where the floor was broke out pretty wide. So then we mix our 343 equal parts into a bucket, and we put sand in with it, and we mix it up not as a thick paste. We kind of mix it up as the whole key to it is to get it in quick, because this stuff gets hard in 10 to 15 minutes that you can actually grind it and walk on it. So as we dump our liquid in 50-50 very quickly, you put your sand in it, and then we take it out, and we kind of dip the sand out. We want it loose and runny, so it goes down in all around the backer rod and it knits to both sides. And what you can do, if you have a little liquid left over in your bucket, you're not going to waste it. You can kind of go back over your sand and merely just dump it over it. That way you get rid of any air bubbles you might have and give you a 100% solid fix. So if any time you have concrete repairs to do, we have numerous different crack fillers. This is a particular one that we're using today in this floor. You can contact us at area code 814-542-2981, or you can find us on the web at muls.net, and we can discuss your problems and help you get the proper crack filler or proper epoxies to do your repairs. Thank you for watching.